Antibes Beach in France is a great destination for those who are passionate about the sea and art. Located on the Mediterranean coast, Antibes is a beautiful small town between Cannes and Nice. The beach here has fine sand and clear blue seawater, creating an ideal space to enjoy hours of relaxation and sunbathing. Antibes Beach covers part of the Mediterranean coast and is located next to the Bay of Juan-les-Pins, a popular resort with hotels, restaurants and entertainment. With this ideal location, Antibes becomes a top destination for tourists wanting to explore the beauty of the French coast along with nearby attractions and recreational activities. The environment in Antibes also reflects the cultural richness and diversity of this area. With its rich history and artistic influence, this place attracts both history and art enthusiasts. Antibes Old Port and Old Town are ideal destinations for those who want to explore France's unique cultural heritage. Coral reefs are one of the special features of Antibes Beach. These coral reefs are home to a variety of fish, shrimp, and other marine life. The richness and diverse colors of coral species create a vivid picture under the sea, attracting tourists to diving and snorkeling activities. Antibes Beach girls come from all over the world, bringing with them diverse styles and cultures. From stylish French bikini girls to active Australian and American girls, Antibes Beach becomes an interesting playground for exchanges and friendships. Antibes Beach is not only a famous tourist destination on the French coast but also plays an important role in promoting the country's tourism industry. With its wild natural beauty and rich history, Antibes attracts millions of tourists each year to visit and explore. Join us on our journey to explore the world on Wandering Channel. Subscribe now to not miss the latest videos about unique destinations and exciting travel experiences. Click the register button to join us and explore the amazing corners of the planet every day.